How to get 1099 tax from Doordash. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to find out how we can find up the tax form from that Doordash. So without any delay, let's just jump right into the video. First of all, let's understand what 1099 tax form is. So a 1099 NEC form summarizes Dashers' earnings as independent contractors in the US. It is provided to you and IRS as well as some of the US states. So if you earn $600 or more in 2024, if you are a Dasher, you may need to fill this form in order to file your taxes. So if you want to access it, one of the ways is Stripe Express. So Stripe Express allows you to update your tax information, download your tax forms, and track your earnings. If you're a Dasher and earn $600 or more in the calendar year through DoorDash in the US, Stripe will send an email with the subject, "Get your DoorDash 2024 task forms faster" by enabling the e-delivery, inviting you to claim your Stripe Express account and logging it into the Stripe Express. If you are a merchant that previously updated to paperless delivery via the Stripe Express, you will need to receive an e-delivery email when your 1099 task form has been filed by DoorDash. You should be expected to be sent by an e-delivery notification for your 1099K if you meet the following criteria in the calendar year, which is you need to have $5,000 USD in total gross volume in 2024. You own a limited number of restaurants, and you are based in the US or are a US taxpayer. You already have access to Stripe Express and have updated in paperless delivery in prior years. If you're not able to find that email, you can go to the Stripe Express support site where you can request a new link to be sent to your email. And there are some few important dates to keep in mind. It will start in October. It will send you an email, instructions on how to claim your Stripe Express account, and you will need to set up an account and agree to the paperless delivery. And by January 31, 2025, your tax form will be available to download via Stripe Express if you agree to paperless delivery. And the deadline is April 15, 2025. So that is it. That is how you get up your tax form from the Doordash by following up this method. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for watching this video.